So this one is today only, and there's supposed to be vintage things at it.
Okay. Look at this poor guy caught out in this weather, running down the sidewalk. Looks like an older guy too.
Doesn't look like he was out for a run.
No, he wasn't planning on running today.
He's got jeans on, so
jean jackets, and so he's just soaking it all up, eh? It's gonna be like 30 pounds heavier by the time he gets to where he's going.
He's got the Canadian tuxedo on there.
Yeah, Canadian tuxedo. Nice.
This is supposed to have vintage stuff. Oh, there's a toilet.
All right. Sweet. Let's go.
Hi! Go cuddled up there. Like, who knew?
Hello.
It was gonna be poopy and rainy all day.
Oh, it's just poured. That's enough.
Yeah.
Keep it warm?
Trying. We take shifts and we go in and have
It's blue. That's a nice one. $5 for the box. I don't know if I need any more though, do I?
Look at that.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Somebody made a lid for it. Often the lid is broken.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, that is big. 10 gallons.
Wow. You need those for the gym?
Oh yeah. Yeah, for $2.
You want to get those?
Try to make it worth your while a little bit.
Yeah. Have you had very many people come today? Aww.
It's just too miserable.
It is. Yeah. I think it's your turn to go in.
Oh, I just came out.
Oh, oh no.
Yeah, there's right there.
Heating up. Hopefully they're making you a hot cocoa or something.
Yeah.
Soup.
Yeah.
Lentil soup in there, so
Oh.
we're eating that.
Okay.
Maybe you want to just buy one jar from her.
Well, yeah, maybe.
Is that it?
Well, I like this.
She likes the color.
The blue one.
glass?
Is there any other blue ones? Do you know? Oh, here's another blue one.
That would be only the 2 liter. Yeah, what are they? 2 liter ones that were blue. Yeah.
That's just clear.
Yeah, these are this is clear. That's
Yeah, and this one's blue too.
oh, the little one.
Yeah, a little one. So maybe there's.
And the rest are all clear.
The rest are all clear.
How much for 2 jars?
20 cents.
Yeah. Here, I'll give you 25 cents each.
Oh,
Yeah.
No.
That's good. I'm happy with them.
For 2 is too little.
Yeah.
Well, you have to pick something else then today.
We're good.
No, I really like them. I like these
Yeah.
blue ones. So thank you very much.
We'll try to stay warm, guys.
Yeah. Get that soup on.
Yeah.
She wants some
Hot
soup, she
chocolate.
said. Yeah.
My shift starts.
Oh, there you go.
Oh,
Warm up now.
yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks.
Oh boy.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Cold.
I paid 20 all day long for those.
Oh yeah, that's right. I was kind of looking at you thinking like, you should give her more than that.
Well, but it was $5 for the box.
I know. Or 10 cents if you buy them individually, but the box had all those lids in them, and I guess she has value, places value on the lids.
I suppose.
Okay,
Okay.
still going.
I like those blue ones. I think I got rid of almost all my other the clear ones, except for the really, really big ones, because I do eggnog in those.
Oh yeah.
So I kept those.
Oh, the homemade eggnog. Oh my God. You guys, I'm just telling you right now, you have not tasted heaven until you've tasted homemade eggnog. Karen makes homemade eggnog, and
It's delicious.
oh, unreal.
Well, we can make it anytime.
Unreal. Okay.
And then she was like, oh, no.
It's full on snowing now.
Yeah, it is snowing. Yeah, she didn't want to take it.
The 50 cents.
No.
I know. That's why I was like, no. Just put that in your pocket.
Yeah,
Like
I think we have
it's such a
change
small amount of money
for a
nowadays.
quarter.
that-
Yeah, that's what I was like,
Wow, look at those flakes. They're
I know.
huge.
They are huge. Okay, so this next one, they're moving across the country.
Probably to somewhere warmer. That's where I would be going.
Yeah. It's noisy in the trees.
Yeah.
The sleet. Hi.
Hello.
What a lovely day we're having.
I know.
First day of fall.
I bet.
We got stuff to get rid of.
Pay no attention to the prices. We're willing to haggle.
Okay.
You guys looking for something specific or just looking?
Old stuff. We collect old stuff. We have an old house.
Oh!
So, old coffee.
No, coffee
little
press,
coffee
yeah. I
or-
think it's silver plated, there's no electrical cord for it.
No.
So I couldn't tell you if it actually works or not.
What's in here? Did you look?
No. Oh, that's like a power 8 voltage. It'll tell you if there's power running through lines, kind of thing.
Yeah, exactly.
You put that around the line, and it'll measure the voltage without
I see.
having to disconnect the.
Without
Pretty
having
cool.
to touch it to your tongue?
Yeah.
Exact same thing.
Do it! Yeah. I'll pay you $5. Very difficult to
This is
clean.
cool.
Yeah. She was showing me that.
Yeah.
Little coffee like heater.
Oh yeah, it does have.
Coffee press, I think it's
Oh, is it a press?
I think it's a percolator.
Okay,
Yeah. So if you pull the lid off, so you put the coffee in there, and then when it boils, it splashes kind
splashes
of
up and then
inside
back
and
down.
makes the coffee. Like those Pyrex, those glass ones with the metal thing inside. Same thing. This is cool though. That's too bad you don't have the cord though.
Do you want coffee?
Sure.
We'll go get it. We'll look around while we're in there, and then.
I'm joking. That was a joke.
Take care. Thank you.
It stopped snowing.
Oh, good thing I filmed it when I did.
I know. This sure came down there.
Yeah, well, there's still remnants. A little bit of snow. So this next one is the estates sale that we can't film in. So if we get anything.
We'll show you when we get out.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Go. This is gonna be a shoes off deal. and-
Nice.
Oh
front
yeah.
door. Some Rider fans. Go Riders.
Yeah, exactly.
Show the camera, get a better view.
Okay. Get my flashlight out or diesel? No, I have it, I think. I don't know if they're gonna be able to see it in here. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Uranium glass. And
Yeah.
I don't think there's any chips on it.
No, I don't think so either. $5. Yeah, it's a good one. We don't have that yet.
No.
Yeah, and these are really pretty. Looks like all the stones are present. Dress clips.
And they're just clips on the back, yeah.
So you can clip them on to your clothes without, like, well, I guess they do have the hooks. They could be fur, because they have those little pokies on them. I don't know.
Yeah.
But
Anyways.
I just thought they were really pretty.
guys, thanks again for coming along with us on another fantastic week of picking. Now's a great time to get down there if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit those bell notifications right beside so you don't miss a single episode. And while you're down there, you might as well give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. On to the next.